Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very special traditional recipe, sweet rice, also known as Meethe Chawal. But this version is not overly sweet, perfectly balanced, and ideal for weddings, Eid, family gatherings, or any special occasion. Stopwatch 020 to 040 Intro plus CTA. This recipe is simple, aromatic, and loved by everyone. If you enjoy traditional recipes with a modern touch, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Now, let's get started. Stopwatch 040 to 130 Rice preparation. First of all, take basmati rice and wash it thoroughly until the water runs clear. Then, soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. After soaking, boil the rice in water until it is 90% cooked. The grains should be long, soft, but not mushy. Once done, strain the rice and keep it aside to let the excess steam escape. Stopwatch 130 to 220 Dry fruits and flavor base. Now, heat a pan on low to medium flame and add a little ghee. Add your favorite dry fruits, almonds, cashews, pistachios, and raisins. Lightly sauté them until they turn golden and release a beautiful aroma. Remove them and keep aside. In the same pan, add a little more ghee. Then add sugar, adjust according to taste, we are keeping it light. Add a splash of water and let the sugar melt completely. Stopwatch 220 to 310 Final cooking. Once the sugar syrup is ready, gently add the boiled rice. Mix carefully so the rice grains stay separate. Add cardamom powder, a few strands of saffron, optional. And finally add the fried dry fruits. Cover and cook on very low heat for 5 minutes so all flavors combine beautifully. Stopwatch 310 to 340 Final look and serving. And look at this. Perfectly cooked sweet rice, lightly sweet, fragrant, and absolutely delicious. You can serve this recipe at weddings, Eid dinners, parties, or any time you crave something traditional and comforting. Stopwatch 340 to 4 o'clock ending CTA. If you liked this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.